so baby. So baby.
Ale.
I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by swinging blue light.
Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am, yes, me, myself, moi. Welcome to my channel. I am Susanita Efe. For today's video, it's all about this look. You guys, I really don't know, I just felt like creating this look. I didn't want to record actually, but like in the middle of it all, I just decided, come on, you're trying a new look for the very first time, why not record it? This lips here is something that I have never, like, I can't remember the last time I did very dark lips, but I just wanted to dare myself a little bit to see how I will look, or how I'll look when I do a very dark lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, don't give it a thumbs down, just go. Please, you guys, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends, let's get to know each other, you know. Yeah, so enjoy this video to the tutorial now. I'm just going to take this very light, very light green, this one here. It's really very light, so I'm just going to apply it. I'm just applying it very soft, like not too, I'm not pressing the brush too hard because I don't want it to be too thick. So next I'm going in with this dark one here. This one, it's very dark, as you can see, this dark green. I'm taking another brush because I don't want to mix it, so I'm using this brush to like add the green to it, the dark green. Next I'm going in with my MAC, that's the MAXX Studio Finish Concealer NC50. Before I apply the yellow, I just want to apply, just to cut my crease with a concealer so that I really get a nice shape.
Like a bird on a tree.
So I'm just doing this right here. I'm just doing it to like fade in the concealer at the end. I don't just like, I'm just blending it gently just to fade the end because I don't want the concealer to like go to the end. That's just basically what I'm doing here. So as you can see right here, something went wrong. So I'm just going to like quickly clean that. So I'm just I will just keep applying concealer. Not too thick, guys, not too thick. Like in case you want to try this look, the concealer, I'm just taking it very light, not too thick. Okay, I think that's enough. So next I'm going to apply, this one is from Essence Mixing Zone. It's just a different shade of, it's like, you can use it for the eyes, you can use it for the lips, you can also use it for the face. It's just like something what you can mix together. Just, yeah, it's not like powder, it's very moist, like creamy. It's like a creamy eyeshadow. It's like creamy eyeshadow palette. That's just what that's just what I would say. It's like very creamy. So I'm just going to apply this yellow right here, this yellow right. So I'm just going to apply it exactly to the point where I applied the concealer. So I'm going to do the same again. I'm just going to like blend that very gently. Just blend it gently. So now I'm just going to go in with the glitter Junkie. This eyeshadow palette is from Primark, so I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette here. I'll be using this yellow right here. I'm just going to top it on top of the creamy yellow I already used. With this palette, you just have to be careful because it's really falling, like it's falling. But I don't mind. I'm going to dust it off. So I'm just going to do the same thing, like just like fade it at the end here. Just blend it so it looks like faded, not too harsh. So now I'm just going to use my Master Precise eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline. You guys know it's one of my favorite eyeliners though. I'm just going to use it to like give this eye some extension, just like the same what we have here.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
So next I'm going to go in with another with my eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to apply the green, what I already used before. Like I'm just going to apply the green under my eyes. I'm just applying the same dark green. So after applying my eyeshadow under my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Million Pauline. This one is just eyeliner gel. I'm just going to apply that on my waterline. So now I'm going to make sure I blend it to give it that dark look. I'm just going to blend it. So now after blending my eyeliner gel, I'm just going to apply another green, like just more of the green eyeshadow. I'm just going to use the same brush that I used to apply the light green eyeshadow, the lighter one. I'm just going to use it to blend, just to blend on top of the eyeshadow, so it looks very, very neat. So now I'm just going to apply the Morphe waterproof mascara. I'm just going to apply it on my eyelash. Just my forehead, give my forehead some more shine. So now I'm going to line my lip. I'm just going to line my lips with the, it's also from Essence. This is the soft contouring lip liner. I'm just going to use it to line my lips. So to finish the look, I'll be going in with a lip paint. It's also from Essence. It's called Vibrant Shock. Yes, trying a lip paint for the first time, so let's see how it goes.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
So after applying the lip paint, I'm really not satisfied with the look. For me it's like this kind of this bluish, kind of dark bluish, but I'm not satisfied with it. I want to get really dark lips, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with this dark one here. I'm just applying this eyeshadow to make it very, very dark and matte.
Like the moon and the sun, she is worth more than gold.